Hey, I have a big announcement. No, something bigger. No, something bigger. I said bigger! I told you it was a big news! I'm launching something brand new. It's called the Workshop Deck. 52 cards to design better workshops in less time. Hey, if we haven't met, my name is Mehdi. I'm a workshop facilitator and the creator of this deck. Over the past 5 years, I've run hundreds of workshops, helping teams solve complex problems, generate better ideas, and make decisions faster. I've also been teaching hundreds of people to design better sessions. And you know what? No matter who I spoke to, I kept hearing the same struggles. I don't know where to start when I design a workshop. I don't know which activities to pick. I don't know if it will actually work. And I get that because I used to have the same concerns. So I took everything I've learned, my proven frameworks, my go-to activities, my step-by-step process I use and teach people to design better sessions, and I turned it into a product that anyone can use, the Workshop Deck. A super simple tool to use that will help you structure your session and pick the right activities to cover your needs. Inside the deck, you will find 28 activities, not more. Why? Because I don't want you to spend too much time picking the perfect activity. So if you have less options, the faster decision you will make. These 28 activities are the 28 activities I've been using myself to design any type of session. Innovation workshop, alignment session, team retreats, retrospective. It's super versatile and it always delivers. I've tested them, the facilitator I've been coaching, I've tested them. They always work. Of course, for specific workshop like your branding strategy, you may need to pick something else. But honestly, if you really understand the logic behind each of those activities, it will deliver. Of course, you can have the best activities, but they will only deliver if they are well explained and delivered in the right sequence. That's why each card have been written with the clear instructions that you need to explain. You will find information about what is the activity about, why do you need to run it, and how to run it. On top of that, you have a couple of tips so that everything is clear. Something else that is important is the sequence of activities. At the core of the deck, we have the 6C framework. So each of the cards have been color-coded so that you know exactly which color to use at which time so that your workshop makes sense and is balanced. You can run those activities in person or remote. It doesn't impact the results. On top of that, we recorded a video for each of the cards so that you had all the information you need to facilitate it with confidence. You will find extra tips because they could not all fit on the cards, and also each of those activities are illustrated with a small case so that you can fully understand the type of outcome you can get after each activity. And I'm not done yet. We created an app that allows you to discover and learn more about the activities in a very engaging way. On top of that, we went even further in trying to simplify the workshop design process because we built a feature that allows you to design your workshop step by step. The application will recommend you activities to run based on the type of session and the other information you would put in the system. And at the end of this process, you will have the perfect agenda to run your session. So the amount of time it takes, the activities, and some of the notes you added in the app if needed. So all you will have to do then is to print it, go to your workshop and facilitate it. Of course, we always recommend some preparation, but this was something we couldn't do for you. This is everything you need to know about the different options of the workshop deck. Now, I want to tell you that the workshop deck is not only for facilitators, it's for any individuals who work with other humans. So if you are a manager, if you are a consultant, if you are a leader, the deck will give you the guidance you need to be able to collaborate better. So if you want to save hours in your design process and feel confident about the session so that you can only focus on facilitating it, pick the best option for you, either the print version or the ultimate bundle. We see each other in the corner. Bye-bye.